ngiyayibona lento ayishoyo ne ayinabungozi ungakhohlwa ukuthi uTLB i-defense anyeke afune
yes
uzofuna ukusha la so uzokwazi ukuswinela amabhola kuphi la
second ball
so
dominate center
and the one thing amthola kahle if alitholile lithola unophuma amathalenta wafasha asikhona
simnandi bathi Sundowns yazidlisa World Cup wona uthini Teko
asikhulume izikhona inkulumo
ikhulume izikhona
bada ukuthi siyadlala
and akuna Sundowns akuna Pirates
akuna Pirates siyadlala
sibafana bafana
sure
yeah
aske much chance badlaleni yeah asileni Sundowns asikhiphi Pirates asikhiphi
but when are you impressed with the performance
the first game for performance totally even the strategy is a coach but the second game there was something though not enough we draw and celebrate guys never see winning the game there never see winning the game to be honest so when second half the team
sure
he is best dominator we could have done better you better
but umkhona ucelebrate wazowashaya the celebration ya Ronaldo
siyabonga lesen mina personal these things also celebrate besingeke first goal yakhe understand sathi ball speed is like
okay smash
sure
asifuna ukuzithike yakho nje ukuthi kamba World Cup izwa njani uyayifila bese emasemzansi beyibiza ngePhilip so manje khona Philip awumboni uyiphi Philip
yebo I think lokhuna uMasanga shilo lokhuna ama coach man ama player kuba ngathi iPlayStation ama remote because mina ngibe disappointed in the first game yethu you can start nga 5 defenders udlala nga 5 maqeda you building from the back kanjani anye ukudlala nga 5 bese ufuna ukuphila
uphila from the back ngoba i-strength sakho sisemuva ngisho na 5 defenders
it means uzodlala uthi kulokhuna kuma opponent uzani kimi mina ngizodlala la ngithatheni ibhola
but remember ukuthi le 5 okhuluma ngayo le 2 engasiye ama defender because of Umutawu no Mudibo they are not natural defenders omnani mo attack abomnani mo man
okay let's go back kuma qualify masilokane sidlala sike sadlala nga 5 asigazi
that depend besidlala na
okay
i-game plan enye neyange i-team odlala nayo
yabona lokhuna le formation ayidlalile against Mexico into esilise ngeCameroon oyenza same formation maqedwe ufuna ukudlala ilokhuna udlala ama long ball sky ball abo lokhuna umndiba no lokhuna nomdawu anyeke bakwazi ukudlala the way bahlala beperforma ngakhona because of so change ilokhuna formation sebaba ne stress ukuthini kumele sibuye soma mara masidlala nga4 basigaya lento sifuna like sizo enjoy iball maqedwe okay udlala ngama defender 5 akuna creativity wonke ama player ne creativity asebenchini
Sparas dlulile lapho second game irectify le nto le
no it is ngakadli hard funa ukufaka opinion I think mina there's one thing that we don't understand Hugo Bruce if first game yakhe he was trying to control the nerves remember these are the host nations
that's true
control the nerves control first half bangakho and then second half you have Apolis and really as impact players it's just unfortunate that we considered that goal and then early within second half kwayenzakala sathola i-red card and the mistake leyenza ukuthi utholakala i-red card is the same mistake i-check kore ngayo first game i-game iqeda ukuqala second half usibizo akabambanga iline yama-defender wakhe usele emuva lo muntu lo urana from the middle uwenzani usithole obvious mela mlandela uyayibona into eyenzakale ngegame ye-check it's the same thing eyenzakele but ngegame ye-check ukuthi yenzakale early in the game basaqinile basadown angazi or basacabanga ukuthi segame or ini uyabona simangala sekuyigo
kusho ukuthi ke thina sasikhala ukufutuma
we good at chasing the game that's what I've observed based on how they played in Babuke We are good at chasing the game. Masingaka chase the game, ngathi asirealize ukuthi se game.
mina azi ngibona ngathi umadala yini igwala.
Which is true.
Yeah, anye ukuthi uphethe ilokhu ni quality eso esinayo bese okay uyenzile first half ane score it 1-0 second half why ungayenzanga amasapu vele masibuye take out lokhu usithole u bring in ulokhuna ama talent awafana
Mina bengicabanga kumele aqale game talent.
yeah mawuqeda keep our speeds sesifuna igoal ngithi
ayisekho into defender la
yeah ayisekho into defender yangithi sesibuyela ngale 4 keep our speeds faka police faka usibilibili faka umfuke
umrem nimpintshela nganga
yabona kule game le yamina the way bengibona ngakhona kulabantu engibabalile asisadingi umuntu ofana nomrem sesidinga lento umrem azosinika yona ku into esizoyithola kumdi
okay
we bringing
Umuntu ozongena ngaphakathi.
yeah umfuke abasahlali wide beza
So we trying to confuse them from the center.
yeah sesiba ezifisiba nama chase number 10 ayi2 bese if ngoba umadala bekanyeka yenze leyo asafuni
Isona umadala.
asafuni i-strike like a striker natural strike
Yeah.
sesifuna i-false 9
Njayami. Yabona mawukhuluma kahle.
umuntu odlala
Mawukhuluma kahle. Njayami.
kahle le game sting first line
yeah
Isingitshela
because
that's mina. That's mina.
nemexico phela nayo ayikuthi izile kithi asiyitesta
We give the game away.
yeah
sibahloni mphethu manje
exactly
Yabona mawukhuluma ngama false nine Njayami. I miss abantu abanjengo Kemet Erasmus. Abantu abakwazi ukuthena in small spaces. We've got that boy. Uku Golden Arrows. Undlovu. Who's fully capable of that?
omara ngumbonile umahopa 10 in small spaces
azinkinga mina ngibone nini ngibone mabazo announce lokhuna hayi squad esizoya eMexico ane
ubona ama defender amaningi
azi bathema abantu baye announce ePitori I think it's what the Pitori
union building
yeah ngavele ngabo ukuthi inkinga
kanjani
le
nginaphi le
okay ama national team wonke wabonila yenzani they go to press conference let's go eBrazil baye ku press conference wakhulumiwa but ba announce ukuthi no name ukhona ba announce onke ama player ba announce name ukuthi ukhona wonke umuntu abahi thina
but you know why wenza lento le so that upresident azoba khona azoba guide confidence just confidence booster
yeah bekumela ze kulokhuna ku press conference because of
president or ama player wa. Ubani balekile.
ama player we ama player we bekani ke
so wena ufuna
Manga bethululu Ramaphosa nje kusayiwe phela.
wena ufuna baba pheze kuwe nokuthi wena uyekuwe
bheka ubaba akadlala ibhola
Manga
ama
thenge
player
box.
yiwo abalulekile
Akhike that window.
angizosha umthanga
Uba uyongena.
awuzo understand
yeah.
uzongena uzolithola igate livuliwe bazokuthela uzoba great
Deko na South Korea ibukelile idlale 2 games do you think sizoyidlula
Yabona le most of my commentators with Bawasho and say it's all within your hands. Le lineup yethu.
fake line up
Mina ngesigani ngwana si chance. Asigene uma khona chance.
Especially because of the height.
Yeah.
malo
besemdiyanga legames buya kuyo ngoba
Ngoba uyalibamba ibhola sibhala, makhopha yahlala.
But that's why worry yami ngomahopa yini. What if he's only good as an impact player coming from the bench?
no
No.
kulawo amanye amagame esiwadlala bekawaqala
Bewata.
and bekasinika izinto esifunayo
Asigene chance like the way Sky abanye chance.
Yeah.
Even as one
mina ngasibuyela first
Yeah.
mina ngasibuyela
But not chat.
kula uzobona coach experience in
Experience is now who's tripping
No,
in
that's-
And then- yabona le yakasithole
nina nicoacha ngama emotions
no yabona le yakasithole yakasithole
basic
Attach ama-emotions.
football. Leyana basic football.
Exactly.
I'll receive football like
Ufuna
that.
ukuthela?
no yakasithole ngiyayibona ngithi mina sibuyele ngo-first as a
In
strike
terms
No.
of first we've given him so many chances.
Yeah.
What when even the penalty fringe.
okay asicale move angifakele i-first 11 yakho
And then move the way tell I'm going to for it right.
sharp
That's right. mhlawumbe umuntu uzakamresta
phela umukwena akekho.
eish yenye
That's why ngithi
No,
ufuna ulungisa
ama-talent awafani. uGrootman no-talent, they
Yeah.
can give us what we need.
Yeah.
abantu futhi uGrootman ngoba ngibonile i-first game yamdlala seze i-force 8
Yeah, because
Yeah.
yeah beka too much makabuye lapha
Yeah.
akadla nomphathi bawu-2 sikayela abafana be-Charles man u-Apollos Mofokeng man bayasigaya something ebabona
I want uMofokeng as an impact player njalo. I think uMaseko no-Murray,
yeah
so that they can run. Usibili uzoba impact player naye uMaseko makakhathele.
so far abomandla bayi-2 manje.
No, yazi why?
ngathi scheme sakadiki uyaspikisa awufake sakho.
Okay. They were speaking ngakhona sishaba. Ane. That's why.
Mara wona sokhawunta abantu bayi-12. Lento
No.
yenidlala abantu bayi-12.
Mamela ebusantsi yabo abantu bawu-12
Mame,
bayasibethu
angithi lapha esigubhini sino-Grootman.
Yeah.
yeah
No talent.
Yeah.
Ama-talent awafani. Boy too, they will give you something that we're not gonna even feel with the tapes again. Trust me, we will not feel with the tapes again. Nyabathemba,
Yamazi opus.
Umothusi.
Awukhumbuli makuyinje.
Yeah, well, unfortunately akekho.
injari naye
Yeah, but
Khuluma
Ngabe
ngabantu.
manje siwari ukuthi tapes again.
yeah
with what we have, we still have enough ammunition.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but I will keep Urile in the bench because I like him as an impact player. Yeah, but because remember when you're still trying to understand the game in a Spanish you have to track back and whatnot. Yeah, but when we start understanding the game and how to loophole them and whatnot, it's much easier for him. So I will put him in the bench and then move Apolis Butcher.
Okay.
Yeah, but basically ngifake
Front three yakho.
ngithi uMuremi, uMaseko,
yeah
bese uSkomota.
ngwana sis
Yeah.
Okay.
So the reason why is that this one I want him to continue from where he left off on the previous game.
Yeah.
Being Umaseko.
Okay.
And then Umurema, I want him to bring something different. I need crosses from him to make sure Uji Uskomota works.
Plus i-South Korea fast.
if fast but I don't know if you guys have noticed
So lama player lawa akhuluma ngawa fast. Yeah.
but ama-crosses I don't think ayasebenzela at this point mangabheka the past 2 games that besuwadlala besifuna le ball ya-pound to pound yokuthi sibalanda la so ama-crossing I don't know ukuthi
Ngoba bekho bade kakhulu.
Yeah, ngoba bade kakhulu ngesamadefender wabo
Yeah.
Yeah.
So la le team esidlala nayo manje ama opponent wethu
Bafishane.
bafishane. So
So
ama
it's gonna
crosses
work for us if it's Begumahopa lapha in terms of
I-cross.
cross. That's why I'm balancing it out. Maseko is gonna cut in.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
a left
yeah,
footer.
yeah,
Angithi.
yeah.
Yeah. The other side, Umurimu expecting a cross. So it's a balance.
It's a balance.
So meaning, if you are better, Maseko go to the left, and Muremi come this side.
athi ngitshela ukuthi mina bengizoyenzani ke mina.
Asizwe yeah
Mina i-back four leya bengizothatha le 3 ngifaka uMakhanya espacing saka TLB.
Oh, yeah, experiment.
Understand?
oh
Bese ngithatha uTLB ayo replace Mokwena.
Hey, yeah, experiment, yambo.
Mamela nje yami
Udlala,
as long as sizoshoota from fair sizothola igoli.
but also
Yeah.
remember,
Lento yethu kufanele kusondele boxing yasibulala.
Ngiyayibona lento ayishoyo ne. Ayinabungozi.
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 uyayithatha
Ayinabungozi.
Ayithathe nje ayizophilisa.
Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uTLB yi-defender. Anyeke afune
ngaphambili.
Yes.
uzofuna
Simnandi.
ukuphusha
Uzostick.
lapho.
Yeah.
So uzokwazi ukuswinela amabhola kuphi? La
Ama-second ball.
Yeah.
Sizodominate center.
And once amthola kahle. If alitholi yena, lithola lokhu ama-talent awafani.
Sure.
Siyekhoneni manje.
Simnandi.
So,
Boyithu labantu bamnandi ngama
yazi
long
ngisaba.
range.
Ngiyakuthola, yazi ngisaba. Ane, yazi why ngisaba leyo nto leyo. Ane, I fear the fact ukuthi actually Mbukazi can shoot from the back more than he can shoot from the center. In the center is usually congested. You need people that are able to exploit those spaces njengo talent whereby a man loose ball mase wafika uhlangabezana nawo in terms of positioning. You might find ukuthi your idea is brilliant. Ngicabangile ngamamela nostika ekhuluma ngicabangile. And it's but also njani influence ka TLP lapha yenza kube secure. Like we are relaxed among TLP lapha yabona. And if uMakhanya bekadlala i-2 nyana namajita, I am able to say because also there's something we take for granted. Yabona. Umuliba can go far up because he knows TLP ukhona. And then Umuliba can go far up because he knows ukuthi opponent ukhona.
Yeah.
Yabona. Because majority of times namajita lawa asuke aso. And then they trust themselves. When we have to run inside to cover, we will match the stamina and the mindset. So Umakanya, it's a good idea how you're structuring it. It's a good idea. But in a game whereby it die.
Yeah. Because of uma sangu right phela nathi kumele singamanini siplaneni ukuthi thina sizoya eSouth Korea in a plan
izoya mara
nabo banalento ukuthi sizoya kulaba
Yeah,
so bashala abantu
plus nabo ngithi okomanje ihanga to hanga.
Yeah.
Bafuna ukuwina nasifuna.
yeah so
ifinal
yeah so umadala so umadala
ngo3 sobe singalalanga kuseni
isikhathi sokuvuka
ukuthi lo jambona wona
hayi indoda awulalo uyacabanga lala 9 hours unenkinga solale 2 days zolambisa umndeni zolambisa umndeni asilali secabanga so ithi wazi pomchita
ikhona bodokotela
Uyambo.
abadokotela bayifundele lento wena uwe
Uyazizwa sengilele kakhulu manje ngilalele 2 days.
uthi wena chithi
ulala 9 hours mavuka uthola ama peanuts then yamani seyenzekile
okay osho ukuthi Wednesday silala early sizokwazi ukusheshe sivuka
nangowana ngalala ngo3 kumele uvuke
yemadoda
angithi 1-2
yazi uni coach
ngo3
yazi wrong with the picture for coach ama player
kumele rest akuna coach rest
no pizza na besho njalo kuvuka ngabo 1
Umuntu khona anxiety coach. Ama player mela aphumula ngama
you won't achieve nothing if we coach
okay do you see us progressing to the next round?
Yes.
Are you talking as a fan or as an analyst?
As a South African.
No, but I like his confidence. I think the game here, Czech has proven to us, as much as everyone is talking bad about us, we've got a lot to offer.
Yes.
Thina simnani la.
Ngiyayazi into shota ngayini. Ilesibindi saphakela umthakathi uthi hambe ekhaya ulanda isibindi. I think mina bambize aye ngade angesibindi tshela abantu landani isibindi madoda ekhaya. Abathi kancane ngeke yabo.
Intelisi.
Yami isibindi la. Yabona masingaba nesibindi la. Ngiyakutshela.
Kusho kahle World Cup samena abantu abaRoma sama nabo papa wawo emele sambe lophakela sambe nongizwe
namabutho wakhe.
Yeah.
No
bekumele sambe na.
Yiba abantu bebasiqinisa isibindi.
Amdoda hamba phambili. Ngilandeleni ngemuva.
Uyangithola. I think I am more than anything there. And I think masingaphatha leso sibindi the coach nayo uzokwazi ukuthi afakele the way isifuna ngakhona because I think deep down he wants to play it like that but he's trying to be very cautious and sometimes ukuba cautious as a coach doesn't work.
Yeah.
You know,
sometimes ukuba cautious as a coach doesn't work. It needs you to get in there and take the risk but you can't really take the risk because akumelanga man it can't be so bad.
Score
2-1.
2-1. Who's scoring? Koraba.
Mahopa. Umfuke was give us something in aspect. That's kind of cool.
Okay, is Mahopa is Mfuke. Score?
A police. One assist. Talent awafani 3-1. Talent.
Jamune overconfident.
No, angikho overconfident.
Mina ngoba ngazibhola.
Azi apolice akaka kuri. Khona leli
abangenzeka bhola.
Awuzokho.
Okay. Ngiyithanda le nto.
Usefomini.
Sure.
Yeah.
Score?
Okay. 2-0 or 1-0. Why? Umuremi kunento TLB akayikhuluma. Ngiyanibona nina nifuna ukudlala. Umuremi ufuna ukukora. If Umuremi gets to play, uzolisa lapha. And the mindset Umuremi nayo yokuthi ufuna ukukora is the same mindset uTalent uApolisa nayo. uApolisa, if you look at it, he's the most probably one of the few players we have in South Africa who takes the chances on shot. Yabona, uyaba selfish nya. So I would see him scoring. Yabona. On terms of second balls, if sinenhlanhla yayo, I definitely see uTalent. But for us to get those second balls, we need wanna say phambili and we need abantu abazoheader as ama defender we Korea then sizoba nama second ball.
Yeah.
But the way we are playing, Panama is see, we're going this side, we are going this side. We're going this side because we don't have the intelligence of someone that can break inside and have those quick checks. So that's why I also introduced Umuremi for the crosses. Uguti, for a change, let us play direct football because we want to win. And the indirect football must naliheda la paya sokor.
Ngicela something. Yabona to uyichaza ngakhona. Ngifisa ngathi ukuthi to wesidlala ngakhona it's fine. Asathu umphokazi ne abaphushe bonke. Le immediately law 2 baphushe bonke. Sidlala nga 3 emove.
Sidlala 3-5-2.
Then ilapho sithola nama given now bakayibhola la iswip athola thina futhi same thing. Singaba guides ukuzibandla
Yeah.
yabona le.
We suffocate them njenge checks.
Sibabambe la. Anganyaka. One mistake sesha. Umbhathi uyashaya short.
Okay, isikhathi sami ngisho. 1-0 Marcel.
Oh, yo 1-0 shukuthi maswina 1-0. Yodlala irole kaMadala. Yeah, maybe soceda igame nge5-5.
Because yabona lezana ne ayikabi ne.
Ziyadlala
zokora. Ayikabi afuna
No.
lezo zokora.
Yes. After I mistake a check from Amajida was switch on. I think also Amajida hang. Let me say, good game check. The only person who was in the fields of the game before he came in Karabu, everyone else followed after. That's why you saw that picture of him shedding a tear. Everyone else followed after. But Gule, Amajida na Bumukwena bahleli bajuti tinasifungia kuma knockout. So maungena na paya. Mangabu yazazi ukuthi uzinama nerves and usizwa sharp khuluma manje. Maungena na paya, you are held accountable.
And no lokuna no Williams uzofuna ukuba ne clean sheet yakhe yokuqala World Cup. And sengukutshela after la must to qualify just net the Congo on maybe singayithola mara mina bengifuna le Portugal
Izosili.
anye
Izosili Portugal.
iPortugal ya short
Singukutshela.
iPortugal ya short kunenkinga kuPortugal
Ane dead wish nyawa.
Singukutshela something man. Yazi manje speaking short. Umanja speaking like a Cristiano fan. Like a Messi fan. And then you play. That's why. There's something that I've observed watching Argentina and watching Portugal. And I actually wanted to discuss it. Argentina knows how to protect their star player who is a bit older now, who cannot do the things that he used to do back in the days. And remember, they have it from way before. They had a Maradona, so it's in their lineage and understanding which how do you protect such a player. It's their player safe. As much as Asegam Dalanyana, because Maktari came, he was from the left. They realized this is not going to work. What did they do? They put him in the middle. He became a 10. And they said, walk around good Lawan Bakoso. Mama Koka, who against Zagala? Bamisha. The biggest challenge, the difference between Cristiano and Messi. Messi James of Cherivar is there. I will never dispute it. I'm a Cristiano fan, who Messi is there. Yeah, boy. Who Cristiano, it's hard work. That's why he could carry teams. I won. Yeah, boy. But now the problem is, Agasana. And these boys that play with him cannot protect him.
yeah.
You understand? That's what's frustrating because they cannot protect him. If they knew how to protect him, he would still be shining because Ben, everyone is looking at him. Don't play Cristiano, and it's easier, man, because Cristiano begat frustrated to humble and move baller as an adult, a shy short. So he cannot do that anymore. Yeah, but who do you need? You need other players to show up to make his span circle easier, which they are not doing. And yeah, but and majority of times these boys want to shine. You've got Vitinha, he's shining at PSG, he wants to shine here. He doesn't want to serve his master, who is Cristiano. You've got Bruno Fernandes, who wants to shine, who will compete now instead of putting I'm compliment. Yeah. You understand? And what does it do? It brings frustration in the camp. Kubangati uyi weakest link. Where else he's not. If you look at him, I'm a wolf. I'm talking about Wolf Ilwan. When it gets to a point where by so mudal, they put you in the middle, and then they put the strongest in front and the other strongest at the back to protect you. So what do they do now? They use your experience to continue. You understand? Portugal is lacking that. They are unable to use the weapon in a way that it can benefit them. They are fighting it. Because but it impacts Cristiano in every game. They're supposed to make sure how they use it. Because you can't just leave him. Instead, you will actually put two people to say, lo makabheka, lo abe khona.